Umintirang ba kajala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma Long bakadon ke jingpen sunguthu bakala baki pulit ki khnyot ben ya ki nongnya tengka umpnyang petrol diesel ne sharak rai ha kaji sha ki pulit ki le ek kamram da ka pen chong no rem na ki kai pot bakadon ke jing itu da ka pen pau padala di hi yo priang ki jing mudui na ki trai petrol pump bakadon ke jingja umpnyang umintirang ba ulong baki don ki nong wan lam umpnyang ki bapenja ya ka umpnyang bat kimpen poi pura ya ka Luang bakadon ke jingkan thau persya nama don kinong pun poi umpnyang ki bam sungut tenat ke jingle bor pulit henrei ka jingelang kebalalong hanong po apat kila poi sya ka jinge suthu jingmun.
So I had received a complaint from the petrol pump owners that the different tankers that were supplying petrol to the petrol pumps, that there was siphoning or leakage of the petrol in sense of certain locations, certain tankers were taking out the petrol and then siphoning it off and not giving the total supply which was meant for the petrol pumps to them. Based on their complaint, we went into an inquiry. Based on that inquiry, they found some evidence and some fact into this particular alleged mismanagement. So therefore, police was not harassing anybody. It's a complete misconception. Police was only doing their duty to ensure that the goods, that means the petrol and the diesel products, which was meant to come in 100% supply to the petrol pump, should come. And while doing the duty, they found some evidence of it being siphoned off or taken away, and they took action against that. So maybe some of the suppliers were not happy with that particular aspect, and there was some reaction in it. But the chief secretary has held a meeting today. They have had some discussion. I think they have come to some kind of conclusion. But as I said, that we have to be very clear that when there is any kind of activity like this, the police and the administration will take action to ensure that these kind of activities don't take place. So hence, whatever the police and the deputy commissioner was doing in the interest of public. So therefore, they were doing the correct thing. And there's a misconception that the police was harassing anybody. But yes, if there is a question like that, if there's an issue like that, the suppliers are very free to come and to discuss the matter, and we can get those also examined.